The island of Bali in Indonesia has a well-earned reputation as tolerant, kind, and spiritual. Its unique and colorful Hindu-influenced culture, along with stunning beaches, have been mesmerizing travelers from around the globe for decades. The friendly and kind way of the native Balinese is contagious, even for the most road-weary wanderers. Several fall helplessly under its spell and end up calling it home. Yes, for many travelers, Bali is more than a trip. It's a spiritual quest. Life is precious, and alas, none of us are getting out of here alive. So let's open our hearts and our minds. It's time to go solo and to get bewitched in Bali, Indonesia.
Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for raw travel.